and that. That is my dream. That is what I want.
Where? Where is that? What is that? Where?
What are you looking for, Karen?
That thing that you were talking about. What is that? I can't see it.
Nako, Karen, why are you looking everywhere? I'm holding it. That.
Ingo. Then you should use the pronoun this instead of the pronoun that.
This, that, what's the difference?
Because you are talking about something near you and not something far from you. For example, this is my tail. That is a bird. This is a bench. But because I am here now, I should say that is a bench.
Ah, this, that. What about this and that?
They are demonstrative pronouns. They point at or identify a specific person, place, idea, or object.
Ah, this, that. Demonstrative pronouns. Now I will demonstrate my this and that. This is my dream. This is what I want. This.
Very good, Ingo. But you dream of buying a piece of cardboard?
Yes. No. Shh. It's not what I mean. This. Did I demonstrate it clearly? Yes, yes. This.
But that is a tractor. But why?
You will soon find out. Have patience. Mwah.